I'm going to show you how to make these delicious vegetarian spicy Fioretto Chipotle Tacos. We've all heard of cauliflower tacos, but in this recipe I'm using a cousin of cauliflower, Fioretto. The florets of Fioretto have slender stems and a subtle sweetness that take on spices wonderfully. We'll start by tossing the Fioretto with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast the Fioretto in a 400-degree oven until caramelized, about 20 to 30 minutes. In a bowl, mix the chipotle, garlic, cumin, lime juice, and extra virgin olive oil. Remove the Fioretto from the oven and toss with the chipotle mixture. Now we'll put together our tacos. Place a spoonful of our spicy Fioretto on a hot tortilla and top with salsa, sliced avocados, pickled onions, and a sprig of cilantro. The roasted spiced Fioretto is a great plant-forward option for tacos.